On President's Day, most people take the time to sleep in or hit some major sales, but a handful of volunteers in Beckley decided they would rather spend the day helping others.
We could be home watching television, or we could be helping these people to feel better. And as long as they're feeling better, then it makes us feel better. We get as much blessing out of it as they do.
The group is made of volunteers from various local churches, all working to meet one common goal: community outreach to spread the gospel.
And we just feel that we are doing something to help them, so it makes us feel like that we're doing the things that God has us to do.
Each day the kitchen is open, a variety of people come in. Many are regulars that volunteers interact with every few days.
A lot of them are from the homeless place. They have nothing else. This is their meal. Sometimes it's the only meal they get for the day.
Despite being down on their luck, the diners still come in with a smile on their faces.
Like I said, most of them are very, very nice. They thank us, they say God bless you, and they're very grateful. They're very grateful.
In Beckley, I'm Cassie Simmons, Newswatch.